Ayo guys, it's Isaac, and I know some of my new subscribers may not have seen my face, but this is what I look like. So today we're going to be reviving a really old series, and this is my Ultimate Lego Room series. You can go back and check out some of the previous videos of that series. We kind of got off because of the virus. I showed some of my plans and we prepared the room, but now we actually have a builder to work on it, and so he doesn't actually know that he's going to be a YouTube star. So we're going to go over there and see what his plans are and what he's going to be working on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this series. It's not going to be my Saturday video because I still want to leave that for some Lego builds. I'll probably post this about Wednesday. So let's go see what he's doing. Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going? I guess you didn't know you were going to be a YouTube star, huh?
Oh, really?
Yeah. What you working on right now? Cool.
I'm just calling to say
Wow, he was fast. He did so much work. Look at all this. It's almost fully framed already. Like, we've almost got all the wood. We really just need this area right over here around the door, and that's all the framing we got to do. Then we can put up some drywall and start painting already. I got to start shopping for flooring and ceiling tiles by now. Wow. It's been one day, and this is really good. Also guys, if you're wondering what's going in this space right here, we're putting in some inset boxes for Lego display with some actual built-in lights in the tops of them to make sure that my builds are really illuminated. So I can't wait for you guys to see what that looks like. And I think that about finishes up this video. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in some of the previous videos, you can click right down there to go watch those. They kind of just show more of my thought process, and right up there you can click a video that YouTube recommends for you. So subscribe, click right down there, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.